Okay, so I'm gonna go over how to save your task and how to reload past tasks that you've probably created and how to delete your task. But before I start with that, I'm gonna introduce my mom into the channel, and she has a question for you guys.
Let us know in the comments what you're gonna do with your waypoints.
So you heard her. Let me know, okay? Let me know where you're going to use this in the comments. Share it with everybody else that might be watching this video as well. So to get to saving the task, you want to stay on waypoints, and right there next to the star is the file where you can save it. Okay, so you just tap that, and then it will pop up. So let me pop up my old task real quick. Okay, so this is my task. To save it, you just press right there. It says it's saved, and then you press the 3 dots right next to the trash can. Now the trash is if you want to delete that task. You press that, and then you go to task library. That's where all your waypoints are going to be at, even in the past if you saved it. So you want to be able to save it, and you can do waypoints at home. You do have to turn on your drone though, and then access the waypoints. You can set it, and then once you get out to the field, you can access it, and it will do its whole flight path. So go to task library, and then these are all the loads. So that's what I just loaded. I loaded the waypoint 4, and that's all of it right there. So to delete it, you just press the delete right there. Delete all waypoints, and the points of interest as well. So just say yes. So there we go. Just deleted everything. And that's basically it for waypoints. That's everything you need to know on how to use it. There's nothing really more. The only thing that I recommend for DJI to change is the gimbal pitch for the point of interest. There's basically no point of using a point of interest if you can't have your camera the gimbal pitch adjusted to the point of interest. But you can do it manually. You can do it manually while you're flying, and so that will save a lot of time from doing it manually or the custom route. Okay, so that about wraps it up for this video. Thanks for watching, you guys. Leave a comment how you guys are going to use waypoints, and how this can benefit you as well. Please subscribe to the channel if you like this video, and check out more of my videos. I have a lot of videos on how to use the DJI app, and more in depth into each one, like this one with the waypoints. A lot of people have been asking for a video like this, so I hope you guys enjoyed it, and see you guys in the next video.